Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on my channel. Sharpening an axe or a hatchet like that, which was a present or gift by a YouTube buddy. Sharpening is in a urban or suburban situation where you don't have any sharpening tools, or you're in a really abstract urban or suburban survival situation. You only need a piece of concrete like this piece of concrete which we use in the gardening for stepping on it, and I show you how I sharpen them. As you can see, I sharpened it again on this piece of concrete. So I'm sharpening it in circles, which is okay to give it a general grind. And I use on my axes or hatchets a convex grind, which will protect the blade better for chipping. Makes it a better chopper. You can see this is these are pieces of metal I'm leaving on the stone, on the concrete. Well, I'm pretty done. This is not perfect by any means, but you see, this gives it a pretty good grind. As you can see, it's a convex grind. That's the perfect grind for an hatchet or an axe. And you can see, clean cuts. Not perfect, do that on a stone, but you can see clean cuts. Now try to make some feather sticks. I try. Yeah, not perfect but nice feather sticks, I think. Yeah, that's pretty much it. As I said, not perfect, and I wouldn't suggest you to do that a lot of times with your axes, but if you have to, you have to do what you do. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.